Yeah. Good morning, children. So 45 members have entered. I don't know how many of you. Daily only 45 to 50 members are joining the online classes. I hope we're getting the network. I hope many of the network issue has been sorted out. So because your 45 members have been joined now. Yeah, we'll start with the next concept of the lesson. The next concept of the lesson, that is preparation of some salts, preparation of base salts, basic salts, whatever it is. Preparation of some of the compounds which are used in your daily life. Daily life, in the sense, in the production line, in the industrial production lines, these materials are used, or in our daily life also used. Example: bleaching powder, Ca CaOCl2, Ca CaOCl2 is a formula for bleaching powder that we are using it in our daily life for cleansing purpose as a bleaching agent in industries. If you take hydrogen gas, again hydrogen gas we are using it in the industrial purposes. Chlorine gas, again we are using it for the purification of water. Sodium bicarbonate used in baking soda. Like that, we are using many of the compounds, whatever we are going to study the preparation today. So first of all, we are going to study one process called as chloralkali process. Chloralkali process. So chloralkali process. So chloralkali process is a preparation. It is a process in which NaOH is prepared. NaOH is prepared by using NaCl. By using NaCl, we prepare NaOH. That process is called chlor-alkali process. Chlor-alkali process. If you take chlor-alkali, chlor tells about chlorine preparation. Alkali tells about preparation of NaOH. Preparation of NaOH. Similarly, in this process, hydrogen gas is also produced. Hydrogen gas is also produced. See, this is the preparation. Chloralkali produces chloralkali process. If you can remember very easily, the preparation of chlorine gas, NaOH, hydrogen gas. It's called as chloralkali process. So it is nothing but a preparation of NaOH by decomposition of NaCl. So chloralkali process is done by electrolysis process. Process. It is a preparation of NaOH by NaCl by decomposition method. You can tell decomposition method means by electrolysis. Electrolysis is one of the decomposition method. I told you. Electrochemical decomposition by using electricity. NaCl is converted into means NaOH. In this process, we are using electricity. We are passing the electricity in the aqueous solution of NaCl, and NaCl breaks up into Na plus Cl, and then it is then the process. Then chlorine is produced, hydrogen is produced. In the process, NaOH is also produced. I'll tell you what is that. Before ask you some question like Dhruva,
Yes, sir.
tell me what is electrolysis here. What is electrolysis? What do you mean by electrolysis? Dhruva, what happened here? Dhruva,
हाँ sir.
what is electrolysis? It is taught in the first chapter. Sinchana Bhatt. Sinchana Bhatt. Sinchana Bhatt. Yeah, Dhruva, what happened here? What is electrolysis? So both are not replying to me. What is happened? I don't know. Sinchana Day Bhatt. Sumit Chaudhary. Sumit Chaudhary.
The
Sumit.
reaction involve the use of the reaction involve the use of electrical energy for the decomposition of the reactant molecules.
Once more.
The reactions involve the use of electrical energy for the decomposition of the reactant molecules.
ನಂಗೆ ಅದು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳು ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡುವ. ಏನ್ ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ?
ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕಲ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಡಿಕಂಪೋಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
Okay. So I hope everyone understood that. Those who are not knowing this, so it is a process of, as Sumit Chaudhary told, see, it's a very simple process. Here what we do is, by using electricity, we decompose a compound. A compound will be decomposed by using electricity. Electrolysis process is a process in which, by using electricity, a compound is decomposed. And the compound is decompose ಮಾಡೋದು. So NaCl. See, during this chloralkali process also what happens? NaOH is produced. NaOH, chlorine and hydrogen gas will be produced by decomposition of NaCl by using electricity. That is called as chloralkali process. Simple definition ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ. So that's called as chloralkali process. So it's a very complex process where it is done in a specific equipment, if you tell. ಅಲ್ಲಿ electrolytic cells ಅಂತ ಇರ್ತದೆ. Electrolytic cells are the devices or equipments which are used to do the electrolytic reaction or electrolysis. So electrolysis is a process which is done in electrolytic cell. There are many type of cells. Electrolysis is done in many type of cells. There are many electrolytic cell. So here a specific cell is taken. Here what we use, raw material, what we use is, we use mainly the brine solution. We use brine solution. Raw material, brine solution we use. What is the brine solution? Brine solution is nothing but NaCl solution. Saturated NaCl. Saturated NaCl. Saturated NaCl is taken here. So the saturated NaCl Cl solution is called as brine solution. In this, electrolysis is passed. Sorry, electricity is passed in this. What happens during the electrolysis passes? Electricity passes. So NaCl is that. NaCl is that Cl. So this NaCl, when electricity is passed to the solution of NaCl, that is brine solution, what happens here is it decomposes. Na plus is formed, then Cl minus is formed. Cl minus is formed. This will happen actually. So this will happen. This process will happen, and say this is a cation and this is an anion. So here what happens is this chlorine is produced. In the process, chlorine is produced. Chlorine is Cl minus is produced. It will react with one more Cl minus if you take one more Cl. So it becomes chlorine. Simply I can tell you, chlorine it happens. How it happens to be here? Chlorine is that this is minus. It gets an electron. Where it gets electron? During the electrolysis. When it is decomposed, it becomes ion. Means this ion will take up electron and become Cl2. Cl2 it becomes. So here what happens? Chlorine will bond with another chlorine atom to form chlorine molecule. This chlorine is liberated in the liberated during this process, and chlorine is collected. I hope you are getting my point. Like this, it happens. So this is the first step of this reaction. Yeah. So this is how the reaction happens. If you have any doubt in this, you can just ask me now. If you have any doubt, you can ask now. So if you have any doubt, raise your hands. Otherwise, we will move to the yes. Sumit. Yeah, Anvit. What happened?
ಸರ್ ಅದು ಸಿ ಎಲ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಹೇಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
ಯಾವುದು?
ಅದೇ ಎನ್ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸಿ ಎಲ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು
ಇದ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೋವೆಲೆಂಟ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಕ್ಲೋರಿನ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಕ್ಲೋರಿನ್ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಕ್ಲೋರಿನ್ ಜೊತೆ ಆಡ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಕ್ಲೋರಿನ್ ಇದು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ವೇಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೇಳು?
ಇದು 8.
ವೇಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್
3.
ವೇಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಏನೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ? ವೇಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇರ್ತದೆ ಹೇಳ? ವೇಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೇಳು ಕ್ಲೋರಿನ್? ವೇಲೆನ್ಸಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ? ಅನ್ವಿತ್
ಸರ್,
ವೇಲೆನ್ಸಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕ್ಲೋರಿನ್ದು? ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ವೇಲೆನ್ಸಿ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಲೋರಿನ್?
ಸರ್ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
ವೇಲೆನ್ಸಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ? ವೇಲೆನ್ಸಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಲ್ಯೂಮಿನಿಯಂ, ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಫಾರ್ ಅಲ್ಯೂಮಿನಿಯಂ ಕ್ಲೋರೈಡ್. Tell me the formula for aluminum chloride.
AlCl2.
AlCl2. My dear, you first by heart the valencies. It is AlCl3. So, say fluorine though valence is 1. why I am asking this question is valency of chlorine is 1. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 electron ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ವಾ, -1 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಕ್ಲೋರಿನ್ -1 ಬರ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ಅದ್ರ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 1 ಇಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ, ಆಕ್ಟೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ 1 ಇಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಬೇಕು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? ಬಿ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್. ಕ್ಲೋರಿನ್ -1 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ಅದರ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 1 ಇಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. So it needs 1 electron. So that's why chlorine here it is minus. It needs 1 electron. It gets this electron by another chlorine atom. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? Cl2 ಆಯ್ತು. ಏನಾಯ್ತು? Cl2. For your more clarification, see here. Cl ಹತ್ರ 1 electron ಇದೆ. So you will see Cl is having how many electrons in the outermost shell? 7 electrons ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಮತ್ತೊಂದು Cl ಹತ್ರ 7 ಇರ್ತದೆ. See 7 electron here. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? one of the one electron from chlorine and 1 electron from another chlorine bonds together. See here. Yeah. See here, you are getting my point, I think. Cl, ECl ಸುತ್ತ into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 electrons are there, and this is also having 7 electrons. 7 valence electron, I am telling you. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? This will share one of the electron to this, and this will share one of the electron to this. By sharing up of 1 electron, they become Cl2. Cl2 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
Yes sir.
So anyway, any other having the same doubt? If you are having the same doubt, please let me know that. I hope you are getting my point. Like this, it becomes Cl2. Cl2 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. It gets 2 electrons. ನೋಡಿ, ಇದೊಂದು ಕ್ಲೋರಿನ್, ಇದೊಂದು ಕ್ಲೋರಿನ್. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? So here sharing up electron. The electron is shared between these two chlorine atom, so it becomes Cl2, and Cl2 is collected in the anode side. Anode side ಅಲ್ಲಿ collect ಆಗ್ತದೆ. So ಇದನ್ನ ಇನ್ನು I'll draw this diagram and tell you. See, this is the electrolytic cell. This is the electrolytic cell. Here NaCl is taken here. NaCl is taken here. And we take 2 electrodes. You think that 2 electrodes ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು, 2 electrodes ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. One is connected to the you are taking 2 electrodes. So this is one is connected to the negative terminal, another is connected to the positive terminal. This is minus, this is minus, and this is positive. So the electrode which is connected to the negative terminal of the battery is called as cathode. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು cathode ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. cathode. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು anode ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. So during this reaction, what happens? NaCl breaks up into Na plus Cl minus. Cl minus ಆಯ್ತು ಅಲ್ಲಿ. This Cl minus ಏನಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, so this Cl minus, see this is minus, this is plus. So being the this is cation, Na plus is a cation. The cation move towards the cathode, and anion move towards the anode. So here it gets one more electron. It gets, and it becomes Cl. It gets electrons and becomes Cl2 gas formation ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. I hope you are getting my point. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? cation is a minus. So this is the anion. anion move towards the anode. So it gets one more Cl atom, Cl. It bonds with one more Cl atom to become Cl2. Cl2 ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So I hope you understood this. If you have any doubt regarding this, please ask now. So this is how chlorine is produced in the anode side. Anode side ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗುವಂತ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದು. ಅರೆ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಸೋಡಿಯಂ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? What the sodium becomes? I'll tell you. Sodium ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ it gets sodium while bonding. ನೋಡಿ ಇದ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ it has given electron. It takes the electron back. Na plus ಇದಿದ್ದು ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತದೆ. ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ತಗೊಂಡು Na ಆಗ್ತದೆ. It takes the electron back. ನೋಡಿ NaCl ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ during the production, during NaCl ಬಾಂಡ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು? Na given one electron to this. ನಾವು ಕ್ರಿಸ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನ್ ಬರೀತೀವಿ ನಾವು? Na plus 1 Cl minus 1 ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀವಿ. ನಂತರ NaCl ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಇದು. So one electron ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. So ಇದು ತಗೊಳುತ್ತೆ. This is how the bonding happens to NaCl. NaCl ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So when it breaks here, it gets the electron back. ಒಂದು electron ತಗೊಳುತ್ತದೆ ಅದು. ತಗೊಂಡು Na ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Sodium metal. Now it is sodium metal. This sodium metal will react with the Na plus H2O. It will react with the water. Sodium will react with water to form. I'll rub this. Sodium which is formed in the cathode side will react with the H2O. Water jothe react ಆಗ್ತದೆ. It forms NaOH. Plus hydrogen gas will be liberated. And Cl gas already liberated. I hope you are getting my point. So this is how the chloralkali process is done actually. So here Na ions, they take up the electron back. In the cathode electrode and become atom. Simple as it becomes an atom, and this atom reacts. This sodium atom reacts with water and forms NaOH. NaOH is formed after that. So during this reaction, H2 also liberated. ಯಾಕೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಸರ್ H2 ಲಿಬರೇಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು ನೀವು. During the electrolysis, we use water also. So brine solution ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನಾನು. Brine solution is an aqueous solution, saturated aqueous solution of NaCl. Brine solution ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Aqueous solution of Na. Saturated solution is called as brine solution. ಆ brine solution ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾವು water ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೇವೆ. That water also breaks up. Water ಕೂಡ ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Complex reaction ಇದು. So complex reaction. So here water also breaks. Water H plus ions ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. O2 formation ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ. So that hydrogen atom, hydrogen which is present in the water will form H2 for H2. Whenever this is asked in the examination, try to write this reaction. If they tell you to explain it, you have to explain like this. This is the rough diagram I am telling you. This is not so easy. Not so easy process it is. It's a very complex process in the industry. NaOH production industry ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಇಷ್ಟು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಡಿವೈಸ್ ಇರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. It's a very complex device. So I have shown in a simple diagram which is given in a textbook. So this is how all the three products are formed. So that is NaOH, hydrogen gas, and Cl2. So if you have any doubt regarding this, please raise your hands. So if you have any doubt, Anvit,
Yeah.
any doubts again? Anvit,
No, sir.
if you have any doubt, ask now.
No, sir.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, anybody else? If you are having doubt, please ask. Dhruva? Dhruva,
Yes, sir.
I didn't get you the answer. What is electrolysis here?
The process in which by using electricity, the decomposition is done.
Okay, thank you. Any doubts? Pannaga? Pannaga? So I hope anyone is not having any sort of doubt.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? Hello? Siri?
No, sir.
Understood the process now?
Yes, sir.
How the chlorine is produced? Chlorine, hydrogen, and this thing. How it is produced? Yeah. In this reaction, all the three products are produced in the same reaction. I told you how all this reaction happens to be. Anybody? If you have any doubt, please ask now. Tejasvi Bhatt. Tejasvi
Sir.
Bhatt. Tejasvi Bhatt. Tejasvi, how
Sir.
are you?
Fine, sir.
Fine, huh? You are understanding all the concepts, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, if you have any doubt, ask now. Yeah, okay. So this is how it is produced actually. So ನೋಡಿ chlorine ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ chlorine it is a anion, sodium is a cation. So chlorine is an anion and it moved towards the anode. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ anion move towards the anode and cations move towards the cathode. What happens in the anode side? It gets electrons. It gets electrons. It gets electron and becomes again atom. So ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ it becomes an chlorine molecule. Chlorine ions ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ that becomes an atom and they join with the another chlorine atom to produce Cl2. Very simple. ನೀವು Cl plus Cl ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ Cl2 ಅನ್ನ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು. ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅದು anode side ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. It happens in the anode side. It gets 2 electrons. The chlorine, both the chlorine, this will get 1 electron, this will get 1 electron and becomes Cl2 by combining. Covalent bond ಆಗ್ತದೆ actually ಅಲ್ಲಿ. So you learnt 7th standard ಅಲ್ಲಿ covalent bond ಓದಿದ್ದೀರಾ. So sharing up of electron, a bond which is formed by sharing up of electron by 2 elements or 2 atoms, that is called as a covalent bond. Covalent bond ಅಲ್ಲಿ Cl2 ಆಗ್ತದೆ, anode side ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. Similarly, sodium ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? Sodium Na+ ಇರ್ತದೆ. It's a cation. Cations move towards the cathode. Cathode ಕಡೆ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Cathode ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? It takes up, means it was Na+. It was given the electron. It takes the electron back. Electron ತಗೊಳ್ತದೆ ವಾಪಸ್. It takes the electron back and it becomes an atom. That sodium atom, sodium atom becomes an ion. Sodium ion becomes an atom. That sodium atom reacts with the H2O. ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಮೆಟಲ್ ಬೇಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ಮೆಟಲ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಜೊತೆ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೋಡಿಯಂ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಟು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ NaOH and in the process hydrogen gas will be liberated and chlorine is liberated. ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ನೋಡಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲಿಬರೇಟ್ ಆಗೋದು ರೀಸನ್ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ರೀಸನ್ ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ H2O. ಬ್ರೈನ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ವಾಟರ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ, ವಾಟರ್ ಕೂಡ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆಗಿ H2O ಲಿಬರೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ I told you this is very complex procedure. You have to remember this reaction, very important reaction it is. This we have to remember. So ಯಾವ್ದು ಹೇಳಿ Na plus H2O gives NaOH plus H2 plus Cl2. ಇಷ್ಟು ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ಬರೀತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು. ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ is uses of each is very important. ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು NaOH ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ, ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ, ಕ್ಲೋರಿನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ದಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಥ್ರೂ. ಸೊ we'll move to the next, that only what is the uses of NaOH. NaOH ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ನಾ ಮೊನ್ನೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟರ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. Soap is produced by NaOH. Soap is produced by NaOH. Means in the industry, soap industry, we use NaOH ಅಂತ ಆಯ್ತು. NaOH is also used in paper industry. Paper industry ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು NaOH ನ. ಸೊ ಬ್ಲೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಏಜೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೂಡ ಇದನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಆಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಗ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್ ದ ಮೆಟಲ್ಸ್, ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆಟಲ್ ಡಿಗ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಆಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್. Go through that textbook. I'm telling you. So ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಇದನ್ನ. Remember. So it is used in degreasing the metal. Degreasing the surface of the metal. Degreasing. ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೋಪ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಬ್ಲೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಏಜೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಕಾಮನ್ ರಿಯೇಜೆಂಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಲ್ಯಾಬೊರೇಟರಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಸರ್ಚ್ ಲ್ಯಾಬೊರೇಟರಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನ NaOH ಬೇಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. So this is the uses of NaOH. So go through the textbook. Bharati?
Sir.
Just open the page number. One minute. Yeah. Figure number 2.50 for 15. Figure number 2.50 for 15.
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ಡ್ ದೇರ್. ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ NaCl ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆಗಿ. ಅದನ್ನ ನೋಡಿ, ಫಿಗರ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2.15 ನೋಡಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಯೂಸಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಆ ಚಿತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ NaOH ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಯೂಸಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. NaOH ಯೂಸಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, H2 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಸುತ್ತಲೂ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಸೊ ಗೋ ಥ್ರೂ ದಟ್. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ದೆನ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಕಮ್ ಟು ಕ್ಲೋರಿನ್ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಕ್ಲೋರಿನ್ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಬ್ಲೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಪೌಡರ್. ಬ್ಲೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಪೌಡರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್. ದೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಪೆಸ್ಟಿಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಪೆಸ್ಟಿಸೈಡ್ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ಸೆಕ್ಟಿಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್. Then it is also used in the preparation of acids. HCl acid production ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಇದನ್ನ. ಆಮೇಲೆ PVC ಪೈಪ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಪಾಲಿವಿನೈಲ್ ಕ್ಲೋರೈಡ್ ಪೈಪ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಪಾಲಿವಿನೈಲ್ ಕ್ಲೋರೈಡ್ ಪೈಪ್ಸ್, PVC ಪೈಪ್ಸ್, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. CFC gas, I hope well known to you. CFC gas, chlorofluorocarbon gases, there also it is used. So it is used in the preparation of bleaching powder. It is used in the purification of water. Chlorine gas. Purification of water use ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Chlorine gas is used in the preparation of PVC pipe. Chlorine gas is used in the preparation of chlorofluorocarbons. Similarly, hydrogen, if you take, hydrogen is also one of the gas which is liberated during this process, chloralkali process. So what is the use of hydrogen gas? It is used in production of HCl, hydrochloric acid ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ H2O use ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. And it is used in hydrogenation of oil. Hydrogenation of oil ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Hydrogenation of oil. Hydrogenation of oil, again it is studied in the carbonates compound. I will tell you what exactly it is. Remember the uses, that's all. So like this, so hydrogen is used as a fuel in the engines. Fuel has a engines, it is used. That is also one of the uses. It is also used in the preparation of ammonia, which is used as a raw material for manufacturing the fertilizers. Fertilizers na ಏನು ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಅಮೋನಿಯಂ ನೈಟ್ರೇಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಅಮೋನಿಯಾ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಫರ್ಟಿಲೈಸರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಮೋನಿಯಾ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ H2 plus N2 gives you NH3 ammonia production ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ammonia gas, that gas is used in producing some other raw material which are used in some process. So it is used in fuels of rockets. Rocket fuel ಆಗಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. It is used in rocket fuels. Even latest modernization happens. See, this use of hydrogen is now used as a fuel in cars also. Hydrogen cars ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, vehicles, hydrogen vehicles ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಈಗ. There also it is used. So go through that uses. If you have any doubt, you can ask now. So anyone having any sort of doubts, please raise your hands here so that I can clarify your doubts. Any doubts? Darshan Agde? Darshan Agde?
Yes, sir.
So what is the uses of chlorine?
PVC pipes
Okay.
used in chlorofluorocarbon.
Okay.
It is used to preparation of bleaching powders.
Bleaching powders. Yeah, very good. Okay, Sarah. Sorry. Yeah. Thank you.